Hey guys, it's been a minute. I haven't given an update in a while. Modeling's been kind of slow, of course, with work and everything else going on, and I want to just give you a quick update. This is a really good kit, but I botched it. So I made too many mistakes. I don't even know where to start. I had a really good finish on it, and I ran out of my normal gloss coat that I usually use, or semi-gloss coat, either one, to seal down the decals. So I decided I would go to the closet and pull out some rattle can lacquer semi-gloss varnish. Started spraying it. It was working okay, and then all of a sudden it just started splotching, and I'm like, oh crap. So it's lacquer, and trying to rub it off, it really made a mess, and that was the first thing that really irritated me. And I didn't like the look of it, of course. I did some, all the decals were on, and I had to do some masking and try to respray it. It just didn't look all that great. And then somehow I managed to crack the canopy by, not sure, maybe when I was masking it, I bent it or something like that. But when I unmasked it, there was a big crack in it. It looked kind of ugly, and I just did some mistakes. I got in a hurry. I wanted to get it done. Like I said, it's a really nice aircraft and a good model kit. I wasn't happy with some of the rescribing, and basically in general, I don't like it. I didn't like the look of it. I didn't like the way it was coming. Some of the pieces were, I had messed up. I had misplaced a decal. It just did a bunch of stuff. So I kind of gave myself permission. You know what? I don't like the way this looks. I did try to weather it just to cover up some of the stuff and the mistakes. And then little pieces I started breaking by accident. So I just said, you know what, I'm gonna give myself permission. I'm just gonna put it away. And I would love to just get a new kit exactly like this. And I know now what not to do when building it. And I'd like to just start a new fresh build. But anyway, I don't even want to show it because it just irks me when I look at it. Some of the things that happened. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's just one of those things, it's going along great, and all of a sudden, you make some mistakes and you try to correct them, and it just leads to worse things. And I didn't like the weathering on it. I dirtied it up too much. I don't like the look of that. I misplaced a couple of decals, or I actually handled it one time when the decal wasn't really set, and didn't realize that it basically tore off on my finger. So just weird things. Maybe my heart wasn't into it at the time, and I wasn't taking my time and doing those things. So I hope to get a new one, brand new one, and just start fresh and do a complete new build, and I know how to do it, and not make those same mistakes, and just go back and make sure I get the products that I've always used instead of trying something different, and then end up messing it up. And yeah, so it's all in here. Like I said, I'm not going to show it because it just irritates me. I actually tried a minute ago to try to fix some things, and then I broke a little tiny piece that held the wing up, and I'm just like, I'm done. I just don't want to mess with it anymore, because it's such a good kit. It really is. It fits well, and maybe just the fact that it's 172, it kind of fiddly in parts, but anyway, I always see on the internet where people build the same kit. They've built bunches of them, and so I've never built a Crusader, and so or this kit in particular. So anyway, that's where I'm at. So I've wrangled with it. I just finally said, you know what, I'm just not going to mess with it anymore, and put it away. maybe get a new one, and you know what to do. You learned a lot. You know not what not to do. So I'm just gonna stick it in the closet, and yeah, that's where I'm at. So, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start on this car, and this is the kit that I won off of Charlie Mack's 400 or 500 subscriber giveaway, and it's the Dodge Charger 67. So I'm gonna get started on that. So I'm gonna post a video here next day or so. Take a look at the sprues and get going on it. So thanks guys for watching. Sorry it's been a while since I posted a video. Happy modeling, and we'll catch you here for too long. Take care guys. Thank you.